I am Elizabeth Mosquera. I am teacher and UNAV Western Kingdom. I am Master Cuisine Administration. The story that I going to tell with you is called Juliet of the future in 4 months. She was reading and Bullwether her future self can to predict something tan happening in the next 4 months. She was excited and anxious to watch the scene to happening. But first she can hear the joy when they first the good news or the bad news. She said that the good news first before she began to speak about some present events, like summer very bad for the dolphin and the weather. But her self-future listener like confused because the song night is by rain and say that this situation were not serious so much. Does that will happen with the COVID-19 pandemic? Her self-future predict that she was going to want to withdraw her investment from stock market. In exchange, recommend that is better invest in virtual plus so soon. The exercising and of some hobbies that will change her disease. The pandemic was passing. Well, I invite to watch the show free. Bye. Bye bye.